Hi guys, my name is Stephanie and you're highly welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to the channel, and if you're new here, you're most welcome. So I create sewing content on the channel, so if you're interested, please subscribe to join the growing family. So in today's video, I'm going to be making these really beautiful and colorful scrunchies step by step and very detailed as well. So if you're interested, please keep on watching the video until the end. So guys, to start off this project, I already have the things that I need for this project already on the table. I have the satin fabric that I'll be working with. It's actually on fold. I have my scissors with me, and I also have a matching thread. I also have this piece of chalk that I'll be using, and this elastic band. I also have my office pins. I'll be pinning everything down, and I also have my measuring tape. So let's get right into the video. So this is the satin fabric I'll be making use of in this project. So the fabric is unfold, and unfold is 21 inches. It's about 21 inches, and the width is 5 inches. It's 5 inches wide. So if I open everything up, it's going to give me 42 inches. I have a satin fabric that is about 42 inches that I'm using for this project, guys. So for the length of this elastic band, it's about 7.5 inches. That's the length I'm actually using for in the scrunchie. So the next thing I'm going to do is to be folding my satin fabric into two. I'll be folding it with the right sides facing each other like this, as you can see in the video. I'll be folding it into two, and then I will pin everything down, but I will leave a space from up because I'm not sewing till the end, so I will just start pinning everything, leaving a small space from up. I will just pin everything from there to the other end. So once I pin and reach the other end, I also leave a space there. I'm not going to pin everything, like to reach the down part. See how everything turned out to be. I finished pinning everything down. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be marking from the upper side. I'm going to be marking 1 inch down. I'll just mark it with my chalk, and then I'll also do the same thing for the down part as well. So I'm done marking the 1 inch from both sides, the upper side and the down side. So the next thing is to start sewing from that marked 1 inch, also half an inch, till I will still reach the 1 inch that I marked for the other side as well. I'll just take it to my sewing machine and just stitch everything. So guys, I'm done doing that. As you can see, the 1 inch that I left earlier, and then for the down side as well. So guys, the next thing I'm going to do is to turn everything out. If you have your safety pin, you can actually use your safety pin, but I'm using my scissors to do that. Alright, so I'll just turn everything out now. So after doing that, this is how it looks like. After turning it inside out with the right side coming out, this is how it actually looks like. So the next thing I'm going to do is just use my iron and just iron everything neatly. So after ironing it, this is how it actually looks like. It's actually coming out really nice. So I'm just going to place the right sides from the opened 1 inch. Just place the right sides facing each other. I'll just pin it down from there, and then I'll take it to my sewing machine to just sew it round. So guys, I'm done doing that, as you can see. So I'll just take everything in. So the next thing I'm actually going to do is to use this space, the open space there, and then I'll be fixing my elastic band from there. So I'll be fixing this elastic band inside. Just make sure you hold it from the other end so it won't escape inside. So guys, I'm done doing that. As you can see, just take it to your sewing machine, hold the two ends and then stitch it down with multiple stitches. So I'm done doing that. I'm done sewing that on my sewing machine with these multiple stitches. So the next thing I'm going to do is to be leaving the elastic band to go inside this scrunchie, and I will neatly arrange these rough edges, the spaces that I left for to be able to fix the elastic band and to sew. I will just neatly arrange the rough edges and then take it to my sewing machine to just sew it from there. So guys, I'm done doing that. As you can see, everything is actually nice now. Scrunchie is ready and beautiful, as you can see in this video. So I also have other pieces of fabric that I'll be using for this scrunchie. So I'll follow the same process that I made the first and do the three as well. So the second one is ready and cute as well. The third one is also ready. And finally the fourth one, all the scrunchies are ready, and I love how each of them actually turn out to look really cute. I actually love each and every color of the scrunchie, guys. So I'll be trying each and every one of the scrunchie on my head to see how each of them look like on me. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you are still here, thank you for clicking, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.